Welcome back to the HaasOnline training series. In this session, we're going to take a quick look at the wallet assets view. The wallet assets view is a quick way for you to be able to view your different wallets on different exchanges and get a bit more detailed information on them. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, so once you've logged into the HCS platform, what you're going to want to do is hover over the left-hand side and under Personal, click Wallet Assets. From here, you'll see your accounts listed, and if you hover, you'll get a preview of the wallet, but if you click, it'll stick. Now, what you'll notice is there's quite a bit of information that's displayed on the exchange's wallet, so let's go ahead and break it down piece by piece. The first thing you'll see here is the name of the wallet. In this case, it's a simulated wallet called Bittrex Sim. And then you'll see a total estimated value of the wallet in BTC. So in this case, the wallet's worth 1.6-ish BTC. After that, you'll see a pie chart here in the middle that's just showing you the distribution of the different coins in your wallet. And then on the right, a bar graph and the total value, the total amount of BTC in each one of the coins. If we look at the bottom, we're going to see a table which shows each of the coins broken up and how much you have of each of the coins. And this filled in order means how much value of coins, or how many coins do we have in a given order on the exchange. And in position means how much is allocated towards a bot. After that, we have the rate, or how much the coin is worth currently against the given market. And then the total, which is how much all of the coins are worth that you currently hold in BTC. Now, I'm hoping that gives you a quick look on how the wallet assets can be used, or how we can see the different wallet assets for each exchange and monitor them. Well, that's it. Until next time.